future historians wonder how Eliza reacted when you broke her heart. You have torn it all apart, I'm watching it burn. Paano napakinggan mo na gayon? Burn sa Hamilton.
I'm erasing myself. When future historians wonder how Eliza reacted when you broke her
Heart. You have torn it all apart, I'm watching it burn. Burn. The world has no right to my heart. The world has no place in our bed. You don't get to know what I said. I'm burying the memories, burning the letters that might have redeemed you. You forfeit all rights to my heart. You forfeit the place in our bed. You sleep in your office instead. And show me the memories of when you were mine.
I hope
Good morning, Baltimore. Every day
Calix, meron.
Bakit?
Ano? Name and section.
Grade 12. Aldera Vega.
Name nga.
Calix Renya Alderamin 12.
Anong experience mo ngayong school year?
Ayos mo. Oh, pinakamalagkit na araw talaga ito. Oh, lagkit na aking legs. Ba't tama? Tuwing napunta tayo